Today is 26th of August 2025. I was going to define compute set O. While doing it, I kind of made a lot of counterexamples like mm, first, uh, I was going to define a computational set, but there was the part that I non-logically used the word. First one is if there is set O. And we can think every 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 attention. I mean every uh, deep learning models as full property of head attention normalization, MLP, and residual network. First is and actually attention. You can make attention by matrix multiplication. So if you make more in small unit, you can maybe think this one first set I was going to define, and second set is if I more disassemble it, attention is able to make matrix multiplication. Then we can also think we can just think it as matrix multiplication, activation, function as color set. And there was word misusing, which was well, I need to make one-to-one define. Like if I use FCN, there can be fully convolutional network and fully connected network. So I should also define this one. And if I define like this is calculation. This is set up computation. So I was going to think about first, think about the linear combination, but linear combination is thing that is going onto value, basis on value. So I can't linear combination on this. You can linear combination plus itself. That is just connecting in between the linear combination. So what I should how I should work is I should count the elements. You should also think about what is the meaning. Are they valuable? What are the meaning of elements? Are they valuable? And I was also think about example that GPT and cloud is different, but actually their difference comes from not really architecture, but based on the parameters, the data set, how it trained. So what I was going to do was from this computation offset, I'm going to from set O make measure checking the performance. So deep learning model was, I think, what I was going to try to do. Then I should answer about the question on if same architecture, how can we distinguish it? There's a lot of deep learning models based on the same architecture, but based on the different data set. They're totally different. I should answer on this question, or I can setting that ceteris paribus, which is uh, make everything same, computing data and resource. Then I can talk about it. But then there will be another question I should answer, which is uh, modern deep learning models, they are doing based on these three things, the LLM model. LLM models and LLM is definable. Uh, you can define LLM engineerically. Uh, They are right now what OpenAI and approaches is basically computational and number of parameters and data, make it larger. This is done. Uh, LLM's performance is also definable. So there was what I want to say is from the first there was many counterexample that is not able to really define. And yeah, I kind of tried to make better models, but one problem is maybe we need new computation. If we compare our brain and our LLM, our brain didn't do backpropagation, but LLM do parameter encoding and make it learnable and do the backpropagation. And LLM already did learn everything on internet. Human doesn't do it. We are more efficient than LLM. And humans can do repair of plumbing, but LLM can't do it because there's not much data. Uh, for model, how people are approaching is based on result and prompt. We make more related things and do scoring, swapping, probing. So apply on another questions query come in. So if I want to really develop my idea, I need to do first is implement action of a processing of data, how it really goes to check how it goes, then maybe I can really go to the next step. Next step. That this is my current mm, feeling. After I did some uh, conversation with professors. Thank you so much.